In this lesson, we'll learn how to control the on and off of an LED with a tilt switch. First, let's do the wire connection according to the connection diagram. Plug the LED to the breadboard. Positive end connect to D8. Negative end connect to a 220 ohm resistor. And the other end of the resistor connect to the ground row of the breadboard. Lead out the ground of the mainboard. Next, connect the tilt switch. First, plug the tilt switch. One end connect to 5 volt. The other end connect to a 10k ohm resistor. Connect the resistor to ground row. The same end of the switch connect to A5. After wire connection is done, let's upload the test program to the board. First, connect your Uno to computer with a USB cable. Firstly, take a look at the sample code. You can see no libraries needed. Now open Arduino IDE, select the board and COM port. Then directly copy the program from the supporting file. The pin definition in the program is according to the circuit connection. Paste the program here. Click Verify to check compiling mistakes. If codes are correct, click Upload to upload the program to the board. After uploading is done, you can see now the LED is off. Tilt the breadboard, that is to tilt this tilt switch to one side. You can see the LED turns on. No tilt, the LED is off. Test is now complete. Thank you.